Hello everyone, I'm Beulah Suhasini, currently working as an in-charge nurse in Neonatal Intensive Care Unit, Fernandez Hospital, Bogulkunta. Well, when I finished my general nursing and midwifery, I was forced into NICU in my internship in Beulah Suhasini, and I have started loving taking care of all the babies. As part of my job, I used to come to Fernandez Hospital to shift the sick babies, and I have been exposed to the services of Fernandez taking care of sick babies and ventilators. I have decided to work as a neonatal nurse, and that's how I have entered Fernandez family. I grew up watching my mother because she herself was a nurse. I know it influenced me and motivated me to become a nurse. According to me, spending time with the neonates is the biggest stress buster. And sick babies are the real fighters who teach me on day-to-day basis never give up. That's why I will continue to be a NICU nurse. Every baby is unique and leaves a memorable mark, but I still remember a preterm baby who survived all odds and parents are still in contact with me. And as I watched the baby grow up, it brings back all the memories as the baby stayed in an ICU. Being a neonatal nurse is very challenging. It requires lots of hard work and sleepless nights. A tiny baby cannot speak. We need to identify the problems from the gesture. It needs lots of patience. A neonatal nurse should have lot of compassion and empathy towards mothers who are emotionally fragile. If a woman has this quality, she can definitely be a neonatal nurse.